can type all the keys, words and sentences. But before we chase speed, let's master accuracy first. Accuracy means typing correctly without any mistake. Even if you type slowly, accurate typing is more valuable than the error-filled typing. To practice accuracy, try exercise where you type slowly and aim for 95% or more correctness. Use typing website like typing.com, 10 fast fingers, and always review your mistakes to understand where you went wrong. You can see the website on screen. This is a 10 fast finger website where you can practice words, sentences to improve your accuracy. Always try to type accurate. You can see that mistyped a word something, so it is highlighted in red color. You can practice 1 minute test. After every 1 minute test, the website gives the result that how much word per minute you have typed. What is the accuracy? A great tip to increase your typing practice gradually. First type at a comfortable pace, then slowly push faster while maintaining accuracy. Remember speed will come naturally with time, but accuracy needs discipline and focus. Great job on prioritizing accuracy. In the next lesson, we'll build typing speed. Thank you for watching.